Hello and welcome to my short video about the Ibis Brussels City Center Hotel. And as the name says, it's in a city center. When you come inside the lobby, you see this big map and you see the location of the hotel and you know where to find all the other important sites of Brussels. The check-in was quite easy. We stayed here for 2 nights and we paid 77 euro per one night. But honestly to say, we booked it like a few months in advance, but if you would come on the same day, you would have paid for this room 109 euro. So yeah, we stayed in this room. It was a two-bedroom, and yeah, the bed just a bit small as you can see, but at the end it's fine. And in a second you will see the bathroom. Yeah, the bathroom is small, but for a few days it's alright. So what else to say about the hotel? The hotel actually, you can have a breakfast there. The breakfast is on weekends from 6:30 to 11 and it's 15 euro, but we didn't take it because we were sleeping too long. But that's fine. And then you have in the lobby enough places to sit, you can buy a drink, you have a bar there, you can play table football, you just have to ask for the ball at the reception. And you can also ask the reception if you wanna rent a bicycle. It's 12.50 per day plus if you wanna take it insurance. So that's it already. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I could help you with this video and see you next time in my channel. Bye.